Is the beginning part of my video got deleted. I thought I saved it. Ugh. Anyways, we are gonna do a green look today. I already did my eyebrows off camera, so we're about to just jump into the eyes. We're gonna go in with our LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Porcelain as the base, because we want these colors to motherfucking pop, bitch. So using a lighter shade will help your eyeshadow pop. So we want this eyeshadow to pop, and we want the colors to be very bold, so we use a lighter base. So now I'm about to go in with my Sour Apple shade and my Lollipops palette. We're gonna go with our Sour Apple shade, and we're just gonna go in and use this as the lighter color. I usually do like the lighter colors. I usually go light, dark, then shimmer. That's what I go by. So you just want to use that color. You want to put that at the top. You see I have it at the top of my lid. This is going to be your transition shade, and it's going to transition within the next color. So when you are done, both sides should look like this. And now we're about to go in with our darker green, and this is going to be, this is out of our Julia's Palace palette, and we're going to use this dark green right here. We're going to use that green. So with this shade, you want to make sure that this shade is in the crease. You see, this is my crease right here. You want to make sure you put that shade in the crease and just blend, bitch. Blend for your motherfucking life. So when you are done, you should have something similar to what I have. As you can see, you have the lighter shade and you have the darker shade. It kind of like blending in, you see? Make sure you blend, bitch. That's where I be fucking up at. You have to motherfucking blend. So after we cut the crease of the eyes, this is how the eyes should look. And now we about to go in with the shade Limeade and our Lollipops palette to put on top of the cut crease. So now we're about to go back in with our darker green, and we're going to put this right here, and we're going to blend it together. So after you're done, your eyes should look like this. And please do not rush blending, because a lot of people rush blending. Blending is key. You have to blend so all the colors can look blended to fucking together, bitch. So this is the finished look, y'all. This is the finished look. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.